Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a border effect in CapCut PC. Let's use this video as an example. Drag the video onto the timeline. Then resize your video by dragging its corners inward to create empty space around your video, which will later be filled with the border effect. Next, go to the Video Basic tab, scroll down, click on Canvas, and select a border style. There are three presets available. 1. The blur preset, which blurs the edges of your video. 2. The color preset, adding a solid color border. 3. The pattern preset, providing stylish pattern options. Preview your video with different styles to find the best fit for your content. Once you've applied and customized your border, preview the video to ensure it looks perfect. And that's it! You've successfully created a border effect in CapCut. Thank you for watching and happy editing!